ahead. Water the whole thing. I believe you can do it. All over. Get the corner. Good job. You know what you're doing.
Who's going to help you? My hands.
Me.
You ready? All right.
Go. Scoop. Go. 8, 9, 10.
And can you help me plant this one? Okay, you stick it down in there.
Are you done?
All right. Now, here, go like this. Let's great job.
And it was such a hit last year that we've actually expanded the program to so many more schools, and so many more kids can actually learn where their food comes from. So thank you, City of Orlando. It's really important.
Good job. All right, are you ready? Hold out both your hands. You're gonna take this lettuce and you're gonna put it right here for me. Oh, it's okay. There we go. And then take that shovel and gently cover it back up. I'll hold the leaves for you. Oh, you can do it by yourself. Go ahead. You got this. Look at you.
No need food.
Is food. Ok, tú puedes sacar, mira, escúchame. Puedes sacar como tú quieras para comer. No la puedes sacar desde la raíz o puedes sacar de aquí porque es muy rico, mira. Yummy. ¿Y tú quieres, you want? Ok, you can go. Go. You see? More. One more, mira. Look, Miss Gabby. Wait.
I want to bring more.
Look. Okay, you can try.
What about this one?
Okay, you can try.
What's that one?
Here, look, Miss Gabby.
Red lettuce. Red lettuce.
Here, look. Okay, one more you. Okay, thank you guys.
Are we done?
You do.
Can you hold this for me? And then you're gonna take this shovel and you're gonna dig right here. Can you do that? Go ahead.
So what vegetable is this? Wow.
Look at how too much.
You have too much? Okay, well let's smooth it out. Let's even it out a little bit. Here, you can take this and go like this.
Good job.
You don't want
Keep
to
going.
disrupt the plant, but we can move some stuff around it. I think that looks pretty good.
Look at that.
Look at all this.
All right, one more.
You guys did a
Good
great
job.
job.
All right, can I hold your shovel?
Vegetables.
And then we're gonna
All right.
take this plant. We're gonna put it right here.
You're gonna make an apple.
And then can you both take your hands and do like this? Gently push the dirt back. Can you do it too? Just gently cover it back up. All right, you're both done. Good job. High five. Good job. You're both done.